AMD's looking amazing here. A little bit late to the party. Monday, got the Costco 11s on. And them Coach slippers though. Yeah. So the reason why I even entered this trade is very simple. Yeah, I want to drop a break and retest strategy video, as well as a price action video, as well as even which contracts that I choose. What is going on, my fellow traders? Good morning, it's Monday. Welcome back to another live vlog, live trading session. I'm gonna show you guys my fire ass trade ideas on SPY, and I only have one more on, I believe it is AMD. We just came back from gym. I finally freaking went back to the gym, but I freaking gained like 28 pounds. I'm up at 188 right now, from 160 when I first started getting this scale. Pretty big up in the weight. I feel it in my stomach too. I gotta chill. But with that being said, let's get right into the markets to see how much we can make today, because I'm trying to shoot for medium risk, high reward. This is what I got on SPY right here. As you guys can see, connect all those wicks, get a nice little pattern here going on, getting tight uptrend. Now we're breaking that uptrend. It's above my call level, so I only have two levels. I got a put level and a call level, but I don't plan on taking puts unless we get all the way down here. But it looks like the calls are gonna play today, so that's on SPY. A very simple straight idea plan. And then on AMD, I have another call level too, which AMD is actually hitting it too. I might have to take calls on AMD here soon. Nice little breakout. So we're at 99 people in the Discord. We almost have 100. Somebody just joined right now as we speak. I hate taking calls at open, but I'm not even gonna lie. SPY looks so good. Not that I'll take it right now where it's at, but if it comes for a retest at the support level of the call level, I might take it. And the reason why I even have this as a level, which I'm gonna show you guys the sauce here, because look at this most recent reaction around here. Every time we hit this general area, per usual, again, it's another breakout trade. So you guys can see nice reactions there. And here we are breaking that level. Same thing with AMD. AMD's looking like it's calling my name for calls here in the morning. I'm not a trader that likes to take trades right at open. Now, AMD looks pretty good. On 30 minutes, it looks a lot better, or even hourly. But let me go on the 30 minutes, show you guys. So it looks a little bit better on the 30 minute, but you guys can see it's a breakout area as well. It's breaking out here. So AMD looks good too, man. So many stocks look good right at open, but I hate taking calls right at open, but they look good, man. AMD's looking amazing here. A little bit late to the party, super late to the party, so I didn't have enough time to call it out, but AMD looks pretty strong here. Strong buyers. We're currently up 6%, almost 10 here. It's probably gonna hit 10% here soon, but so far it's looking very strong, guys. Quick in and out trade, $44 on the first trade. We had two contracts. I'm glad I'm out. Might push up here stronger, but we out, guys. We out. This is our contracts right here. Let's see what we got in. We got in for 239. Told them at 261. So we already finished about 12 minutes into the market, guys. We took our first trade and it was a very solid AMD call. Now I'm gonna do a quick trade recap and show you guys exactly why I even entered it, what was the trade setup, when I entered, how much I got in for, and what did I exit for. So we're gonna end the vlog here pretty soon, sooner than later, and drop it here sooner than later because I got a lot of things to work on. Let's jump right into the recap. So the reason why I even entered this trade is very simple. I mean, I did have this call level up for a pretty long time, but on the higher time frames, you guys see every time we hit this general level, it ends up rejecting. So I put a call level at 140.61, and even the hourly broke above here. So it's fallen now because market's fallen as a whole, but look at this. Every time we hit this general area, it ends up pumping. And so on the hourly candle and the pre-market, it ended up breaking above. So I was like, you know what? Calls look great, and let's look at the 15 minutes because the 15 minutes looks good as well. Look at this nice fat breakout. I'm glad I entered for a scalp trade and didn't try to hold the price target, because my price target is at the next resistance. And I actually did expect it to keep pumping, but look at what happened, man. Nice little cup here, long wick to downside in the pre-market, breaks above. So I got in. As soon as I got this break, even on the 5 minutes closed above right here. As soon as you get this nice break, it pumps. And now let's look at the 5 minutes, because the 5 minutes is also why I entered for a quick scalp. Because look at this, 5 minutes is breaking here very strong, and a couple seconds for this candle to close, I decided, you know what, let me enter in, and it ends up pumping. Got in pretty late, as you guys saw on the live trade, but we get a nice break above, and that's where I sell. And I'm glad I'm out, because if I would have held for the next 5 minutes, definitely would have broke past my entry, definitely would have sold out for a loss, but we exited for a nice gain. So very nice setup there, guys. So we are just going to end the vlog here shortly, guys. It's literally only 7:03 a.m., but I'm just going to edit this up and do a lot of work at home as far as making even more videos, because a lot of people in my Discord need some videos. So I'm going to make some videos today, drop a lot of content today as well, and I need to make a price action video. I also need to make what contracts I choose, because somebody in my Discord asked me, what contracts do you be choosing? So I got to make that for them as well. But guys, we freaking ate, we printed, we're eating nicely. Light day, but you know what, I'm gonna call it good there. I don't want to risk anything else because I don't plan on taking any other trade setups. Now the trade setups that I called out today were just SPY and AMD, and they already hit early in the morning, so I don't have any levels other than on SPY to take puts at very far away. I mean, my next SPY put level is all the way down at 582.50, so we need to drop pretty hard in order for me to actually take a SPY put, but I highly doubt it's going to happen because look at this, we already broke this little small pattern, holding it now as well. So I'm definitely just going to make a lot of videos for the break and retest strategy. I want to drop a break and retest strategy video, as well as a price action video, as well as even which contracts that I choose, because guys, there's always an argument between in the money, out the money, and I prefer all the time as close as you can, in the money or at the money. If it's only 30 cents away, that's a contract I'm picking all the time. But let's get right into it, guys. Have a good rest of your guys' day. I hope you guys freaking printed Monday. 30 minutes in and we made some good money. So ending it here, calling it good. Let's move on about our day.